Hey guys, this is a prime example of a brilliant trade. Obviously, again guys, we do not have our main indicators on the screen for obvious reasons. We are currently selling the Aussie Canadian dollar. As you can see, we are in massive profits at the moment. Over £9,000. We ended up with over £14,000 on this particular trade. It's just a basic strategy with our indicators. Without the indicators, there's no way we could have taken this trade here. So again, a very brilliant trade on the 31st of March, and just the Aussie dollar, Aussie Canadian dollar on a sell. At this point, we get to 13K, 13,000, actually 14,000, and we start to take our profits. As you can see to the right there, we are taking our profits immediately, leaving just one trade, and eventually we close that trade too. And here you go guys, these are all our profits on the right from just one trade. Well, one trade, I mean one pair, multiple trades at the same time. And as you can see there, multiple